Next, I'd like to talk about the object-image relationships for various mirrors. Here I have a plane mirror showing the object and the corresponding image. Then I have a convex mirror showing the object and a corresponding image. And over here I have a concave mirror showing an object some distance away from the mirror compared to the focal distance, showing the image fairly close to the focal point. Then I have that same concave mirror with the object moved up closer to the focal point, showing that the image has moved further back. And then I have that same concave mirror now with the object moved inside the focal point distance, showing in this case we get a virtual image that's erect and enlarged back behind the mirror. This is when the mirror acts like a magnifying mirror. And now what I'd like to do is demonstrate these various mirrors.